Hey guys, I know there has been some confusion about how to do the new CK12 stuff that is on Schoology. So this is just a quick video to show you how to use the CK12 app. You are already all assigned into the app. You literally just have to click on the assignment and do it. The app will keep track of how much time you spend on each topic. It'll keep track of the answers you make, and it'll keep track of if you watch the videos or not, if you complete the interactives or not. So it keeps track of things a little bit better for me. It makes things a little bit easier on my end, and it's more interactive for y'all. So it's really an overall win-win situation. So, and I'm sorry I haven't been there the past few days. The internet's been down at school. As you can see, I'm currently at my house making this video. I'm going to minimize me, and I'm going to bring up this main screen. So this is what your Schoology looks like right now. The days the internet has been down, I guess I'll move myself down here, not that any of you are actually watching my face, but the days the internet's been down, we had some assignments up that I had already put up there. So we're on waves right now, and the first CK12 assignment I had, I think, was on waves day 3. Yes. So we've got waves day 3 down here. So we're going to go into that folder. And the CK12 assignment I had was electromagnetic waves. So you're going to click on that. And I have the teacher version up here right now when it loads. So I'm going to click preview assignment. In yours, it should just come up for you. Click on preview assignment. I can make this full screen if I want to. So I can make CK12 full screen. And I'm going to make it full screen right now just so I can look at it. All right. You can go through. It works just like a textbook. You can read it. It's got pictures. If you want to make notes, you can highlight in here. You can make notes. All of that you can do. You can watch the videos and interactive simulations. You just have to hit play. This way you don't have to go out to YouTube or something like that.
But unlike ocean waves that require water, EM waves travel through the vacuum of space at the constant speed of...
So those videos will tell you a little bit about more what's going on. It'll give you something that you can watch. There's your drawings, your illustrations. There's questions. If I were you, I would try to answer the question and then scroll down and see what the answer is. You can go through. When you get down here, there is an interactive simulation. When you see these interactive simulations, click Launch, and it will bring you to a new page. When you get to the new page, click Play.
Think of a rainbow. What color should be above the red part?
After you watch the intro video, I'm going to click Skip just because I've watched it before. It'll bring you to what the interactive simulation is. And this interactive simulation is looking at all of the different lights. So you can scroll up here. Right now we're at a gamma ray. And you can see just how big these different waves are. So a radio wave is, well, not a radio, yep. A radio wave is about the size of a human. A microwave is about the size of a butterfly. When you get all the way over here to gamma rays, it's the size of an atomic nucleus. So that really is a huge difference. You can change the oscillation frequency down here, and you can change, sorry, my cat is meowing in the background. You can change the wavelength over here. And then you can hit play, and you can see how those wavelengths interact here. April may say hi. Look, I'll be that weird cat person. Say hi, May May. She's like, what is going on? Okay, sorry. All right, back to what I was doing. When you're done, click to this next arrow, and it says adjust the sliders to produce light waves with the highest energy. So when you click on your answer, all right, higher frequency, higher energy waves have the shortest wavelengths. So try it. I want the shortest wavelengths. This is where I think it is. I'll press submit. It says answer is incorrect, try again. So I'll try it again. Submit. I'm still incorrect. Submit. And it will make you keep going until you get it right. Okay. Oh, I think maybe, is that what it wants? Let's see if that's what it wants. I don't know what it wants. You're going to have to play with it till you figure it out. So you'll have to answer these 2 questions. Once you answer those 2 questions, it'll bring you to the next page. And then you're done with that simulation. If you want to see the worksheets, you can go to the worksheets. It's the exact same thing as the simulations. When you're done there, you're going to come back to Schoology. You're going to go all the way to the bottom. I know a lot of y'all have sent me videos asking about how do I answer these questions. These review questions aren't for you to answer. These review questions are to help you review. When you feel like you've identified with the page enough, you've read the page enough, you've watched the videos, you've interacted with it, you're going to click on this button down here in the right-hand corner that says View Practice. And it says Adaptive Practice. Get in the game. You need to get 10 correct answers to complete your practice goal. And it tells you about how long it should take. So it should take you about 9 minutes to answer the 10 questions. And then click Preview. And it says start by getting 10 right. Continue practicing as many questions as you need. Adaptive questions. So the questions are going to get harder or easier based off of your progress. If you miss a bunch, the questions will get easier. If you keep getting them right, they'll get harder. Note, I can see if you're intentionally getting them wrong, so you get easy questions. And if you're stuck, you can use a hint or you can use a scratch pad to help you solve the problem. So then you can just click Start Practicing. Electromagnetic waves, you can pick what you want to pick. They create force fields, they exert force over a distance, they can travel through outer space, whatever you want to click, and click Check It. And if you got it right, you can click Go to Next. And you'll keep going. If you have to leave it, you can press Stop for now, then you can come back and do it again. Once you've finished the adaptive practice, and you've answered all 10 questions right, you're done. You can always practice more if you need to practice more, or practice less if it's something you don't understand. So it'll tell you you've got 10 out of the 10 questions right and your practice goal is 100%. When your practice goal reaches 100%, you're done for the day. You don't have to answer any more questions. It'll send me a report and let me know that you're done and that you have finished for the day. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully this is a lot easier. It's a little bit more interactive than just answering a question and waiting for me to be able to give you feedback on it. I feel like this is going to help you learn a little bit more. We're just trying it out this week and next week. We're going to see how it works for both of us, and then we can regroup after spring break. So again, your assignment right now is to get on here and to do this electromagnetic waves one. So work through, do the interactive simulation, answer those practice questions, and you will be done. If you have any more questions about CK12, feel free to send me an email. It should be putting your grades in Schoology. I'm not 100% sure if that's going to work or not, because things don't always tend to work with Schoology, but we're going to see what happens there. So I will be keeping you updated. Hopefully we will get internet back at soon, and I will be able to continue posting daily updates and daily assignments for y'all. If you have any questions or concerns, just let me know. Hope to see you soon, guys. Miss Neal.